Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, Claude is an AI-powered coding assistant that works right from your terminal. No IDE required, just you, your keyboard, and Claude. It's perfect for times when you want to quickly solve a coding problem, refactor some files, or just ask questions about your code base without opening a heavy editor. The core command is simple: Claude. Once installed, you launch it from your terminal and your interactive chat session. Claude can read, write, and edit files in your current project. It's fast, lightweight, and works everywhere and anywhere. Also, as you see here, you can either download it or you also have other methods to use. You can also use it on the web if you want to. Anyway, but if you want to go ahead and install, then go ahead. Then you have to launch the Claude code, navigate your project folder and run Claude. The first time you run it, you will be prompted to sign in with your basically a traffic account. Claude Code works with any paid Claude subscription, including Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, or even a Claude console account. No API key required. Then start giving commands. Once signed in, you will see the Claude prompt. You can now ask Claude to help with anything related to your code. Explain this function to me. Refactor this file to use the new API, or even you can ask them to write unit tests for this module. Then you can exit the session by tapping exit or Ctrl C to close the closed session. Your conversation history is saved and can be resumed later. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.